I'm going to show you how to factory reset a pair of Beats Solo buds. You want to factory reset these if you have issues connecting or pairing, or maybe one side's not working or one side's volume is lower than the other, and so on. So we're going to factory reset these, but I want to note that I am connected to my iPhone here, okay? So we're going to go ahead and factory reset these. Let me go ahead and close the lid. Make sure both buds are in there, and then open it up. Now you have an invisible button on top of the B there and on top of the B there. If you can feel it when you press it, okay? So what you want to do is hold both and press. Ready, set, go. Press and keep holding both and wait till we hear 3 beeps, okay? It takes about 15 seconds, so just wait. Now that's the sound for pairing mode, okay? But keep holding. Wait for the 3 beeps. One, two, three, that's it. Close it, you just factory reset the buds. Now remember, before I was connected to my iPhone. If I go to settings here and I go to Bluetooth, it's still in my Bluetooth list, okay? So if I want to connect back onto here, I just click on the I and I tap on forget this device. If you're on an Android phone, it would be like unpair. On a TV, it may say remove or delete, but there you guys go.